In this video, we are going to cover the if function, and function, or function. So you might remember the if function from the previous tutorial videos. We also looked at some other variations that leverage the if function, such as average if, sum if, and count if. Well, now we are going to look at if and if or function. So make sure you have this if and or spreadsheet open. And now we can start. So we have these tables at the top here, and we'll fill all of these in. And then below we have this exercise. And basically this is a replica of these tables up here. So the reason I have done it this way because there's actually not going to be any solution video for the exercise given below here. But by the end of this tutorial, you should have all of these tables filled in. So if you do need to reference anything, of course you can just come back to this tutorial, or you can just reference the function that you have written out in all these top tables here. So with these particular ones here, you can see that this is filled in, but this is just an example. And same with this here. So when it comes to these two functions, the if and if or function, I have tried my best to summarize what they are all about in this text box here. If you don't quite understand what it means, don't worry. I think that by the end of this tutorial, this text will be understood a lot better. So let's just jump straight into the first function, which is going to be the if and function.